Hey guys, welcome to SkippyTube channel. Today I tell you about the two important types of circuit. But before starting, I said in previous video about the electrical component are most used in mobile phone. This and next video I tell you about the two type of circuit. The first one is series circuit. I want already have an example. I want to show you about this example. This is the flashlight button. When it's press, this flashlight turn on, and again press and turn off the flashlight. I tell you about this example. Suppose have a power IC. Power IC deliver the voltage to the main board. That's right, at power IC. And this way for flashlight. Suppose this power IC and flashlight needs a 2 volts voltage to turn on and have a two components. You know, that one is inductor, and the first, very simple. I say to you very simple about this circuit. Look at this. The components are arranged in a row. All is together. Like this. I make this circuit. You see, that side is connected to power IC like this, and voltage comes to this light. That's this first light like the inductor, second one like the second inductor, and this the flashlight. And you see the voltage comes here, passes the first light and output from the other side, and again input to this and comes to the last light, and last light connected to ground or negative side like this. Just very simple about the series circuit. But I want to say what happens if one of components is break like this. We can say this circuit is breaks and voltage doesn't arrive to the flashlight. Now I want show you how to find the problem. If it's when you want to fix like this problem. Some customers come to you and say my phone flashlight doesn't work, and you open it, and with a schematic diagram you want to find the way and find this issue, which of these components or parts is problem, to find them and fix that. Okay, this is the series circuit example. Now I want connect the DC power supply to display, positive side to red and negative side to the black cable. Okay, you see the light is turned on. Voltage comes from the red one to this, passes from there, and that way voltage again to that and comes, and the last way I said is connected to the negative side. If we remove the negative side, you see all light off. That means circuit is break. Now I want to tell you how to find the issue. Before I said, suppose this the first inductor and this second inductor, that's light. What happened if one of them is burned? The first middle one, when it's removed the light, you see circuit is break and all light is off. Doesn't matter which one is break or removed, all light off. Now suppose this middle one is, it means this second inductor is burned, and we want to find the problem under this way. What can I do? Okay, the first you need a multimeter. That's the multimeter in there, and 3 lights in there, and you see all of off. The first, put the multimeter on the same voltage or higher voltage. If you have a digital multimeter, that's okay, just only put in the DC test. But if you have a manual one, you need put the selector on the 2 or 20. But that voltage is around the 4.6 volts, and my multimeter doesn't have the 5 volts. I put in the higher than that voltage. It means second one is 20 volts. Okay, that's it. Now multimeter have a 2 cable. The black one for ground, it means you need to connect the black probe to the negative side. That's the negative side. I put the black one to that. Just connected. Now this is the red one for positive side. Okay, we know that's the red one. That line comes from power IC to the first inductor. Put the red probe to here. I said that's input voltage is 4.78, and already you see we have the voltage in there, and comes to the other side and check this one, and again show me the multimeter, show me the 4.7879. That means this component works fine, and voltage comes to the other component. We find the second component and put the red probe to this way, and again we see the same voltage. And when put the red probe or red cable to other side, you see this digit number show me the 000. It means that voltage doesn't passes this way. We have the problem in this component. Remove that one and put the new inductor. Fix the way, and again flashlight works. I think that video helped to you. Thank you for watching, and awaiting your suggestion, and see you next video.